I walk these streets, a virtual stage, it seemed to me. Makeup on their faces and actors took their places next to me. Well, I walk these streets in a carnival of sights to see, and all the cheap thrill seekers, vendors and the dealers, they crowded around me. Have I been blind? Have I been lost inside myself in my own mind? Hypnotized, mesmerized by what my eyes have seen. I walk these streets in a spectacle of wealth and poverty. In the diamond market, the scarlet welcome carpet, they just rolled out for me. And I walk these streets in the madhouse, as solemn they can be, where a wild-eyed misfit prophet on a traffic island stopped and raved of saving me. Have I been blind? Have I been lost inside myself in my own mind? Hypnotized, mesmerized by what my eyes have seen. Have I been wrong? Have I been wise to shut my eyes and play along? Hypnotized, paralyzed by what my eyes have found, by what my eyes have seen, what they have seen. Have I been blind? Have I been lost? Ooh, have I been wrong? Have I been wise? Have I been strong? Ooh, have I been hypnotized, mesmerized by what my eyes have found? Ooh, have I been blind? Have I been lost? Been strong? Have I been strong? Have I been hypnotized, mesmerized by what my eyes have found? In that great street carnival, in that carnival.
Please forgive me if I act a little strange, for I know not what I do, what I do. Feels like lightning running through my veins. Every time I look at you, every time I look at you. Help me out here all my words are falling short. There's so much I want to say, want to tell you just how good it feels when you look at me that way. When you look at me that way. Throw a stone, watch the ripples flow, moving out across the bay. Like a stone I fall into your eyes, deep into that mystery. Deep into some mystery. I got half a mind to scream out loud, I got half a mind to die. So I won't ever have to lose you, girl. Won't ever have to say goodbye. I won't ever have to lie. Won't ever have to say goodbye. Oh, please forgive me if I act a little strange.